Click on the link below to get price. The 2pcs 180PPD Commercial Dehumidifier with Pump is an impressive solution for anyone seeking to manage humidity levels in large spaces, particularly in homes up to 2,300 square feet. These dehumidifiers are designed for efficiency and reliability, making them ideal for commercial applications as well. One of the standout features is the impressive 180 ppd, pints per day, moisture removal capacity. This powerful capability allows for quick and effective moisture extraction, significantly reducing dampness and preventing mold growth. In environments prone to high humidity, such as basements or laundry rooms, these dehumidifiers perform exceptionally well, maintaining comfortable humidity levels. The integrated pump is another significant plus. It facilitates continuous drainage, allowing water to be expelled automatically to a nearby sink or drainage point, which eliminates the hassle of manually emptying the water tank. This feature is particularly useful for large areas where the dehumidifier may operate for extended periods, providing peace of mind that it will run without interruption. In terms of usability, the 2pcs 180PPD units are equipped with user-friendly controls, including adjustable humidity settings and a clear display, making it easy to monitor and customize the operation according to specific needs. Additionally, the portable design, complete with wheels, allows for easy movement between rooms or properties, enhancing versatility. Noise levels are relatively low for such powerful units, making them suitable for residential use without causing disturbances. However, it's worth noting that, like any commercial-grade appliance, they may be slightly louder than standard home dehumidifiers. Overall, the 2pcs 180PPD Commercial Dehumidifier with Pump is a robust, high-capacity option for anyone in need of effective humidity control. Its features, including the pump for continuous drainage and ease of use, make it an excellent investment for maintaining a healthy indoor environment. Whether for a home or commercial space, these dehumidifiers are sure to meet high demands efficiently.